You could be learning a language. Instead, you're watching a series in English, you're asking ChatGPT for help in English, and maybe you're even in a relationship with a partner who's a native speaker in the language you're learning, and yet you're speaking English. These are your missed opportunities, but they make all the difference. Look, I get it. We like to do things the easy way, and I'm no exception here. Our brain tells us, I'm too tired, I've had a long day. English is just easier and more comfortable. And before you know it, another week goes by. No practice, no progress. But the truth is, one of the biggest barriers to fluency isn't lack of time or talent, it's simply ignoring these everyday opportunities. Every episode, every conversation, every task is like a mini workout for your brain. And skipping it is like not going to the gym and wondering why you don't get fit. So how can you seize these language learning moments without feeling stressed or burned out? Let's break it down. Let's say you have a partner who's a native speaker. Maybe you shouldn't force language learning into every interaction. Instead, you can set time slots, schedule it. Like every Friday night, we only speak French during dinner. Or try to start as many conversations as possible in your target language. Then if you switch to English at one point, that's fine. You could even try to turn it into a game. Like the first one who speaks English has to buy the other a coffee or do a simple chore. Make it fun. What about series? One option is rewatching a show you really love. That way you can absorb the language and don't have to focus so much on the plot. Another option is the just one episode strategy. If you're having a Netflix night, make sure to watch the very first episode that night in your target language. Later you can switch to English, but then you've already done a good deal of work. And when it comes to AI, you should start small, like having it create short recipes in your target language or asking it simple everyday questions. And if you don't know how to express something, you can always add the magical answer in target language. Like you ask the question in English and then add answer in Spanish. That way you get exposed to your target language and you may learn some new words from the answer that you can use for a follow-up question. Of course, these are not the only ways to integrate your target language into your everyday life. Be creative. And remember, you don't have to use every single moment for language learning. But if you seize the most important ones, that's how you make progress. You have to take action and do so consistently. And one day, fluency will come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.